Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can work as a pizza baker on Bloxburg. You can either go from here, go to work and select the pizza baker, or I'm already here, Pizza Planet. You're just going to walk through these doors here. You'll have that outfit on. Select this box and then place it. Well, actually they're already fully stocked, so just press add dough. Let me just add the stuff because I can't see the picture. There should be a picture here. Add sauce, add cheese, and it has a ham. So I'm just going to press interact again and I'm going to select ham. Then you're just going to keep following the picture until there's no more like stock. So press E and then restock it. Then you're going to do it until you're just tired of working. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.